Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, we are studying the chapter 4, that is weather and season. And in previous class we saw about what is weather, what is season and what is climate, and we also saw what is the difference between weather and climate. So my dear student, weather and climate we saw, and today we are going to see seasons. We will see today season. The topic is seasons. What is seasons? The weather keeps changing throughout the year and is different in different month. And the weather keeps changing throughout the year means weather जो है बेटा वो हमेशा चेंज होते रहता है थ्रू आउट द ईयर, पूरे साल, एंड इज डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट मंथ. In different month, weather is different. You can enjoy different weather in different month. So when the weather conditions remain more or less same if we enjoy same type weather for more or less the same for a few months. If we enjoy same type of weather for many days, for many months, so that is called season. Same type of weather, when we enjoy same type of weather many days or few months, that is called seasons. And how many seasons are there? Yes student, you can see here 5 main seasons are here that we will study in this lesson. First one is summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn. These are the 5 main seasons of India. Are the 5 main seasons in India. These are the 5 seasons that we will study in this lesson. We enjoy all these seasons in India, but we have to study in this lesson. So other thing is each season lasts for about 2 to 3 months. Yes student, each and every season have the time period of 2 to 3 months. Means जितने भी सीज़न होते हैं बेटा वो कम से कम 2 से 3 महीनों के लिए होते हैं. तो इस तरीके का जो वेदर होता है, जो हम लगातार एक सा वेदर एंजॉय करते हैं. जैसे इस समय हम लोग क्या एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, समर, यू कैन से रेनी सीजन, बट हॉट टेम्परेचर इज हॉट. सो each season lasts for about 2 to 3 months. Each and every season lasts for about 2 to 3 months. Means जितने भी सीज़न होते हैं बेटा वो 2 से 3 महीने के लिए आते हैं. Seasons change because the earth moves around the sun. Why seasons change? Because the earth moves around the sun. It is called revolution. You can say revolution. Revolution of earth around the sun. This is the cause of changing the season. So different parts of the earth get different direct heat of the sun during the different times of year. My dear student, when earth is on its revolution, at that time different part of India face the different sunlight. Some part get direct sunlight, some part doesn't get sunlight and some part partly get sunlight. So the season and the temperature change accordingly. So so different parts of the earth get direct heat of the sun during the different times of the year. The part of the earth which gets direct heat, the part of the earth, the part of the earth which gets direct heat has summer. You can see, dear student, if any part get direct sunlight, that part will be more heated in comparison with others. बेटा कहने का मतलब यहाँ पे ये है कि अर्थ का जो पार्ट सन के डायरेक्ट सीध में रहेगा या सन की लाइट जहाँ पे ज़्यादा देर तक पड़ेगी और स्ट्रांगली पड़ेगी, वहाँ पे जो टाइम रहेगा या जो सीज़न रहेगा वो समर रहेगा। और जब इंडिया का कोई भी पार्ट जहाँ पे सन की लाइट थोड़े समय के लिए जाती है, वो वहाँ पे क्या होगा बेटा? विच टाइप ऑफ सीजन विल बी देयर? विंटर सीजन। यस, winter season will be enjoyed there. So different parts of the earth get direct heat of the sun during the different times of year. The part of the earth which gets direct heat has summer while the other has winter. And next, today we are going to start our first season, that is summer. Yes student, today we will study the summer season. And we saw summer is the hot season. As all we know, summer is the hot season. It lasts from April to June. It lasts from April to June. The time period of the summer season is April to June. Northern part of India becomes hotter than the southern part. Yes student, northern part of India becomes hotter than the southern part. Means northern part enjoy heavy sunlight and heavy temperature, but the southern part of India means where there is Narmada river below the part of the Narmada river, because Narmada and Tapti, both river, divides our India in southern and northern part. So southern part enjoy less temperature, you can say less temperature. So there people enjoy some cool season. Why? Northern part of India enjoy hot and the southern part of India enjoy cool. Why? Because the southern part of India is surrounded by water bodies. The southern part of India are surrounded by water bodies. So this is the reason that in this way we can say the southern part of India enjoy cool temperature and the northern part of India enjoy hot. The northern part of India becomes hotter than the southern part because southern part gets cool breeze from the sea. The southern part of India get cool breeze from the sea. That's why southern part of India get less temperature in comparison with northern part of India. So it's all about our today's class. Dear student, one thing that I want to remind you, be serious about your study because your PT exam is about to come very soon, and just complete your notebook and book and make the proper use of notes and the PDF which we are providing to you, and learn all the exercise and question answer properly, and do comment in comment box by writing your name, class and section. If you have any problem, if you have any query, then you can write in comment box. I will reply to you. So enjoy your day. Have a nice day.